Books and CDs of Kuya Ed Lapis, see bookshelf at the lobby. A post-Christmas season camp. Youth camp, step up, becoming a better person for a better future. December 28 to December 30, 2014. Early registrants will receive youth camp t-shirt or souvenir item. For inquiry and payment, you may proceed to the youth booth at the lobby. Kabataan, gigigan, sayawan, kantahan, kasiyahan. Wow, kakaiba ito. Plus Day by Day Metro North Youth Christmas Edition. Pag-uusapan kaya, join na kayo, attend. Youth Explode Worship, November 30, 2014, 9 a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. Day by Day Metro North presents Kislap, A Light to Remember. A musical play presentation, December 22, 7 o'clock p.m. A church fundraising project. Proceeds will be used for our upcoming activities. Support and pray for this project. Get tickets now available at the lobby. Welcome po sa ating mga first-time attendees. May pag-ugnayan lamang sa ating usher sa lobby at may munting handog na ipagkakaloob po sa inyo. Para sa iba pang balita, kumuha po ng CP ng ating araw-araw newsletter. God bless you day by day.